Hello.
Yeah.
Well, I wanted to talk about, we had a silent disco the other day. And it was so good because whatever station you were on, so there's like 3 different stations, and so throughout the whole audience, or the whole dance floor, wherever it was, you could just connect with people that were on your frequency, and it was so satisfying. It was such a great analogy to the work that we're doing here.
Sort of obvious to know who was dancing to the beat you were dancing to. Yeah.
Dancing, singing, yeah, it was really cool. So
Yeah.
that was just kind of fun. What I wanted to talk about today was excellence and mastery. I recently saw, well, I've been to a lot of concerts lately, just these people that are such masters at what they do. Why is that so satisfying? And especially the big thought leaders.
Satisfying because without alignment, they don't accomplish mastery. And so you're resonating with the alignment that they accomplished. When you're seeking excellence and when you're in alignment and you resonate with someone who has accomplished something, then there's just a compounding of all of that. The energy that they once were is now pulsing with you too, dancing with you now too.
So aside from just getting in the vortex, what's the best way to like really tap into these people, whether they're alive or not?
Well, we want to go back to the first part of your conversation because we would like to define mastery as a moment in time. We'll speak from your point of view. Mastery is a moment in time when you are focused upon something in complete alignment with who you are. Because that means you're connected to infinite intelligence and you are in the receptive mode of whatever is available on that subject. Now, of course, you define how much mastery you're ready to receive by the beliefs that you hold. Is there a lid to your mastery? Is there a lid to anyone's mastery? Could someone who had accomplished a level of mastery before improve their mastery through you here and now? That's the kind of mastery that we want to talk about. Masters who have accomplished mastery to the extent of their belief being able to allow it in. But here you are generations later with different beliefs, more freedom being experienced by you at all levels of your being. And so when you focus in some direction that some former master who is thrilling you has focused with sincere interest and openness to the subject, now you can, and you feel it when it happens, you can allow that mastery, you want to call it magic or mystical, you can allow that mastery to expand beyond anything that it was before. And if you're tuned in, you'll feel the thrill of the master who has inspired your new mastery. That's co-creation at its best. Yeah. That was good. Really good. Really good. Do you feel like masters? Because you're often in alignment with Source, yes? You're often in alignment with your own vortex. So you're the master of your own creation, yes? Mastery gets a little wonky when you're trying to compare your results with someone else's. So don't do that.